Hey there, Buy Smart Squad! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the skies with two drones that promise to make your aerial adventures unforgettable. On the left side, we have the budget-friendly LMRC-12. And on the right, the slightly pricier but oh-so-fancy istone 5. Let's see which of these flying machines will make you the next Spielberg of the skies. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The LMRC-12 comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. Meanwhile, the istone 5 is priced at $119, which is enough to make your wallet cry out, "Why me?" But hey, sometimes you gotta spend a little extra to get those sweet aerial shots. Now, let's zoom in on the cameras. Both drones sport a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. But LMRC-12 has a dual camera setup, making it feel like it's trying to be the James Bond of drones. The istone 5, on the other hand, offers a panoramic view and real-time transmission through your phone or iPad. Reviewers have praised the LMRC-12 for its good video quality, especially for the price, while some istone 5 users have found the video quality lacking with frequent interruptions. So who's the real superstar here? You decide. Next, let's take a look at flight time. The LMRC-12 offers a decent 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. But the istone 5 swoops in with a whopping 30 minutes. That's 4 extra minutes to impress your friends or crash into a tree. Your call. Reviewers of the LMRC-12 have noted the good battery life and quick recharge time, while istone 5 users have had mixed experiences, with some praising the flight time and others finding issues with battery replacement. But what good is a drone if you can't even get it off the ground? Both drones come packed with beginner-friendly features like headless mode, one-key start landing, and altitude hold. The LMRC-12 even throws in hand gesture photo for good measure. It's like playing charades with your drone. Reviewers have found the LMRC-12 easy to use, even for kids, while istone 5 users have had trouble with controls and connectivity. So even if you're all thumbs, you'll still look like a pro with the LMRC-12. When it comes to durability and portability, both drones are equipped with brushless motors for a quieter and more powerful flight. The LMRC-12 boasts strong wind resistance, while the istone 5 flaunts a foldable design and a carrying case. Reviewers have praised the LMRC-12 for its stability and durability, while istone 5 users have reported issues with wind resistance and losing the drone. Imagine pulling out your istone 5 from your pocket. It's like a magic trick, but instead of a rabbit, you get a drone. Overall, the LMRC-12 has received positive reviews for its value, ease of use, and good video quality for the price. The istone 5, while praised for its flight time and portability, has faced criticism for its video quality and control issues. So there you have it, folks. The LMRC-12 is the budget-friendly option with a dual camera setup and strong wind resistance, making it perfect for those who want to get into droning without breaking the bank. The istone 5, on the other hand, offers a longer flight time, user-friendly app controls, and ultra portability, because who doesn't want a drone that fits in their pocket? Which one will you choose to rule the skies? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, fly smart with Buy Smart. Product links are in the description.